Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to change the default browser in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing your default browser in Windows 10 is quick and easy. Whether you're switching to Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or another browser, here's how to do it. Open Settings, press Windows +I or right-click the Start menu and select Settings. Go to Apps in the Settings window. Click Apps. Select Default Apps. From the left sidebar, choose Default Apps. Change the web browser. Scroll down to the web browser section. Click the current browser, usually Microsoft Edge. A list of installed browsers will appear. Select your preferred one. Confirm the change. If prompted with a confirmation dialog, click Switch Anyway. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.